Tell us a little about how Hine Automation serves customers globally.
Hine serves customers in all major markets across the world. We manufacture our products in the United States and leverage regional sales contacts to streamline our customer communications. We also recently started manufacturing products outside of the US for key customers who have very specific requirements. We currently offer global services on a case-by-case basis depending on the customer's needs. In addition, we are now capable of supporting international customers who have restrictions with their country of origin of their purchased products.
When and how did Hine expand beyond the United States borders?
We expanded our manufacturing beyond US borders in 2020 with the establishment of Hine Europe. The expansion was in response to increasing customer demand. Our company's European market reach has seen double-digit growth year over year over the last 5 years. An established Hine entity in France allows us to support this global growth and better serve our international customers.